Ano yung kinakain mo, ate?
Carrots.
Carrots na hilaw. Delicious?
Yes.
Ang title nito, Eating Carrots. Lutong. Lutong. Healthy vegetables. Ilang kilo kaya mong kainin sa isang araw? How many kilos? Maybe how many pieces only?
3
3 or
or
2
4.
or 4. Lotong. Sarap. Pag nasa Amerika ka, kakain ka rin carrots na hilaw.
May baby